Module 3, Formatting Cells. You'll encounter many circumstances in which you're required or wish to apply different appearance properties to data in a spreadsheet, which is also known as formatting. Formatting worksheet data can enable readers to present and understand information more quickly and clearly. In earlier modules, you learned how to work with the structure of worksheets. In this module, you'll work on the appearance, or formatting, of cells in a variety of ways. Lesson 1. Formatting cells. You now know how to create a spreadsheet and enter data. Although it's critical for a spreadsheet to be accurate and functional, it's also important for users to find it attractive and easy to follow. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to apply font and cell formatting to a worksheet to enhance the style and presentation of data. You'll also be able to accelerate the formatting process by using Format Painter. Topic 1. Format font and cells. As is often the case in software applications, there are multiple ways to manage font and cell formatting in Excel. One method for formatting cells is using the ribbon, specifically the Home tab. On this tab, you'll find the command group's font, alignment, number, and styles that contain the most commonly used commands for cell formatting. Later in this topic, you'll explore using the Format Cells dialog box and the mini toolbar. The font group on the Home tab of the ribbon contains several commands for font and cell formatting. The easiest way to get familiar with these commands is to try them. Remember that you can use the undo command if you don't like the formatting that you've applied. If you use a mouse, you can display a screen tip by pointing to a command without clicking the mouse. This is also known as hovering the mouse pointer. Screen tips provide at least the name of the command, possibly a feature description, and sometimes, in parentheses, a keyboard shortcut for that command. Apart from the formatting options on the ribbon, Excel provides a few more formatting options. To access all the options for formatting cells, use the Format Cells dialog box. To open this, you can perform any one of three actions. Number 1. Select a cell, right-click or access the context menu, and then choose the Format Cells command. Number 2. Select the dialog box launcher in the ribbon command group. Number 3. Use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+1. Use the 1 key on the main keyboard, not the number pad. Although most font commands are located on the Home tab of the ribbon, there are a few more font commands that are only available from inside the Format Cells dialog box on the Font tab, like Underline, Normal Font, and Preview. The gray lines around all cells are called grid lines. By default, grid lines are only visual aids to designate where cells are, and the lines do not print. To add lines with a choice of styles and colors around cells, use border formatting. On the Border tab, for a line, first select the desired style and color, and then select the outline, inside, or specific border segment buttons of the selected cells. Fill refers to the background coloring or pattern of a cell. Choices include simple solid colors, effects of gradients, and two-color patterns. You can also use the mini toolbar to quickly access the most frequently used formatting commands and contextual commands that will change depending on what you're doing at the time. On your selected cell, right-click to show the context menu and the mini toolbar.